my favorite pink ribbon. I usually get it in different colors. This time I chose pink one. And I usually decorate my tables with it. I decorate chairs, my house. It is perfect for clothes decoration. You can decorate your outfit. It is perfect for different celebrations, for birthday parties, for wedding. I love it a lot. The design is amazing. It is very soft. It feels like a second skin, and the color is amazing, and it is very nice. It is very nicely made. The quality is great. It is very long. You can see that it is very long. And I love how I can easily keep it like that, especially if I have different colors. I can easily keep it like that and just use it for flower decorations, for different purposes. Honestly, it is amazing. And the color is very neutral, nice pink color, bright. And I love how it looks. I think it is must have for the house, very easy to use, and it is a great gift idea for your friends and family. And I'm gonna decorate birthday party. I want to decorate each chair and the window and everything, and my patio in this color, pink color, for my daughter. And honestly, I think this color is perfect for that purposes, but they do have different colors. I tried different ones, but this one is very cute, especially for the girls night out or for the party, for the wedding. It is must have.